Hello, I'm Robert Lunte from CourseCREEK, and today I want to talk to you folks about SCORM, or otherwise known as Shareable Content Object Reference Model. Now, in e-learning, in design and development of content for courses, folks like myself deal with this SCORM file protocol quite often, and some of you may have heard about it, and I hope to tell you a little bit more about it and why it's important. Before I do, I'm just going to go ahead and read you the official definition of SCORM to kind of make a point. The Shareable Content Object Reference Model is a collection of standards and specifications for web-based electronic educational technology. It defines communications between client-side content and a host system, commonly supported by a learning management system. Okay, what the hell did I just say? SCORM files and software that makes SCORM, software such as Articulate 360, Articulate Storyline, Articulate Rise, iSpring, okay? These kinds of authoring tools and platforms, learning management systems such as Docebo, LearnWorlds, and other learning management systems that support SCORM enable you as a course creator to create content that is wildly outstanding, engaging. Sounds really geeky, but just dumb it down and just know that SCORM is a file protocol that comes from specialized authoring tool software that sits inside platforms that are compatible for SCORM for the reason of enabling the user experience and the user interface for your learners to be interactive. Now, when I say interactive, what I mean is SCORM software can make a lesson sort of come alive, like a pop-up book for adults, where your learners will lean forward with a mouse and click on the screen and drag things around and open up secret curtains and drag and drop things. Okay, lots of bells and whistles, making the course engaging with edutainment, but also purposeful, meaningful, and really properly teaching them what they need to know in the best way. Okay? SCORM takes courses beyond just video and copy. Okay? It takes it to a whole new level. Now, at that new level, not only is it beautiful and engaging, but large companies, large enterprises that are looking for training programs for their employees are going to ask for SCORM. They are accustomed to putting their employees in front of learning experiences like this that are engaging, that pop. If you're interested in doing B2B, if you're interested to licensing your course content to companies, large companies that can't send their employees to your learning management system due to security reasons, bureaucracy, who knows, but they still want your content, with SCORM, you can zip them up and export them and give those files to your new client and license your content. So they want it because it's engaging and it's beautiful. It meets their standards for their education department, their L&D department, but also it's portable. I hope this is helpful for you. By the way, CourseCREEK does full SCORM development on all the major platforms: Articulate Storyline, Rise, iSpring. All of our projects have some SCORM development in it because clients really love the way it looks and feels and the way it educates. Hope this is helpful for you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.